No frying. I just put everything at once inside the pot and it still comes out perfect. Very beautiful, tasty and yummy. Let me show you my direct entry noodles. Everything goes in at once. No stress, no frying, just simple cooking. I started by adding my noodles straight into the pot. Then in goes my fresh tomatoes,
on a dusty road I walk alone, no mother's
my
voice
chopped
to call
onions,
my own. The wind it whispers through the trees, carrying broken memories, but deep
pepper
inside
for
my
that
heart
rich
I
taste.
pray
Then my dry fish. This is
that
where the
hope
aroma
will
comes
find
from.
my path someday.
Then I added scent
Oh,
leaf for
heaven,
that
hear
local
my
flavor. This
silent
part
cry.
changes everything.
Don't let this little dreamer die. Through every storm, through every pain,
Add the noodles
let
flavor.
sunshine find my life again. Hope will rise
Little vegetable
again.
oil, not too much.
The village sees my quiet
Then I
tears,
poured
a
in
child
water
alone through
and
lonely
place it
years.
on heat.
But in the dark, a light I
Stir
see,
to combine the ingredients together.
a brighter day for someone like me. Though shadows fall along my way, I keep the faith for a better day. Oh, heaven, hear my silent cry.
Then cover the pot and allow it to cook
Don't let
together.
this little dream
Some minutes later, look at what we have.
through every
Everything
storm,
cooked
through
together,
every
slowly
let
absorbing all the
sunshine
flavors.
find my life
No
again.
frying, no extra steps, but the
Hope
taste,
will rise
next
again.
level. Look at how
One day the
everything
rain will
blends
fade away
perfectly.
and joy will
Soft,
greet the break
rich,
of day. The child who cried
and full of
beneath the sky will
flavors.
spread new wings and learn to
This is
fly.
what I call simple but powerful cooking.
So I will
Try it
stand
once,
and I
you will
will say
understand the
my brighter
difference.
dawn is on the way.
This is just part 1. Follow me for more
Oh,
direct entry
heaven, hear my
recipes.
silent
Bye.